Hello everyone, Ruby this side from EnglishWise. Today we will be discussing about speaking module. As in, if you're using the one-line strategy and still not getting the desired score, you might be making these three mistakes. The first mistake that you might be making is that you are not consistent with those 8 to 12 words. For example, let's say you're speaking 8 to 12 words in one question. In another question, you are actually speaking 15 to 20 words. So you have to make sure that in every question, you speak minimum 8 words, maximum 12 words. The second mistake that you might be making is that you're thinking and speaking. You're not fluent enough while performing. So you have to make sure that you speak at a medium pace. You cannot go too slow. You cannot go too fast. You have to make sure that you speak at a medium pace without any hesitation. And the content that you're speaking, it needs to be 100% right, which is pretty easy. For example, let's say you get this question. The culture we acquire from our families, schools, and communities. So if you're speaking like this, the culture we acquire from our families, schools, communities. If you're speaking like this, you will not be getting the score. So you have to speak at a medium pace like this. The culture we acquire from our families, schools, and communities. That's how you will be getting the full points in your read alouds. The last mistake that you might be making, as soon as you finish speaking, you're not going to the next question. You have to make sure that once you finish speaking those 8 to 12 words, you have to go to the next question. Don't wait over there for the timer to get it finished. If you're making these three mistakes, you will not be getting your desired score in speaking module. Now I know many people have these questions as well. Look, we are not making these three mistakes, but still we are not getting the desired score. So what is the error that we might be making while doing a speaking module? For that, we will cover that in our next video. Until then, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.